Hello everyone, this is Umaya Saika from SIS department. Today I'll talk about a very important cybersecurity tool that is Wireshark. So now the question comes, what is Wireshark? So Wireshark is a free and open source network packet analyzer that can capture and display network data in real time. You can use this Wireshark in Windows, Linux, or Mac OS as well. Usually, Wireshark is used to troubleshoot, analyze, and learn about the network protocols. Now, what is the domain? The domain of this Wireshark is network security and network analysis. That helps in understanding how data travels, finding network problems, also detecting malicious activities. Okay, so who are the people, those use it, and what are the reasons? First of all, network engineers. They use it to diagnose slow or broken connections. Next comes cybersecurity experts. They use it to track suspicious network traffic. Also, Wireshark is used by researchers and students as well to learn networking concepts in detail. So here I've showed a demonstration of Wireshark. First of all, I used Wireshark to capture network traffic when I typed www.wikipedia.org in my browser. Let me show you what happened. First, I started capturing packets. Then I went to www.wikipedia.org. When I pressed enter, my computer asked a DNS server for the website's IP address. I stopped the capture and used a filter to find only the www.wikipedia.org packets. So here we go. When I wrote this thing in my browser and went to this website, I came to Wireshark, and after capturing the packets, I clicked on the stop button, and then in the filter option, I wrote this query, and after writing this, these things came: number, time, source, destination. This DNS, and the protocol DNS came. So first of all, if I look at these things, I can see that this query, I have written in the filter option. This makes Wireshark show only the packets for www.wikipedia.org. Now let's look at the list. I see a few packets, right? The first one is 4216 standard query. That's the most important one. This is my computer asking the DNS server, what's the IP address for www.wikipedia.org? This one, right? So, and the next point is the response. As you can see, 4218 and 4219. Those are the responses that shows the server replying with the IP address like this, which my browser uses to find Wikipedia. There is an extra packet I can see, 4217 HTTPS, right? So these extra packets are for other parts of Wikipedia, like subdomains or security stuff. But today I'm focusing on the main part of www.wikipedia.org query to keep it simple. So that was a very simple demonstration. Now, if I want to show you a live demonstration, then I have opened an incognito tab. And first of all, I'd like to Wireshark. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using Wi-Fi. So I would click on it, and I have started capturing packets. And now I'd like to type www.wikipedia.org. See, okay, here's the website, and come to the Wireshark again. Okay, we will wait for 15 to 20 seconds to capture the packets. Now, after that time, we will write the query. And our query was DNS. Sorry, first of all, we need to stop it. Stop. And we'll write the query DNS dot query dot name equal, this is your website name, dot wikipedia.org. Okay, so I'm pressing enter. Let's see what comes. So yes, as you can see that I have already explained that the first thing is for our query, what is the for the IP address in the DNS server. It is asking for the IP address, and these two, I think these two things are the responses, right? This is the IP address, and maybe this is the subdomains, as you can see. So yeah, that was all about the demonstration part, and thank you very much.